Terminal Mix performs flawlessly with Serato, and it's a pleasure to use. If you're an existing Scratch Live or Itch user, you can access all of your existing crates or iTunes libraries from within Serato DJ Intro. If you're new to Serato, it won't take you long to get up to speed. To set up a new crate, just click on the Add Crate icon and drag tracks over from your hard drive directly into the new crate. Alternatively, you can navigate via the File menu and drag tracks or even entire folders into the Crate View area. So let's load some tracks into the decks. The Tracks encoder is your main tool for navigating through your music libraries. First, select a crate or iTunes playlist by turning the Tracks encoder. Now push the Tracks encoder to delve into that chosen crate, and from here you can browse individual tracks by turning the Tracks encoder again. If you want to go back a step and select a different playlist, simply hit the back button. Once you've chosen a track to play, just hit the designated load button assigned to each deck, which are found above each channel fader. With the Terminal Mix, I have complete control over the playback of my tracks. For example, I can toggle the range of the pitch control between plus and minus 8, 16 or 50% using this button here, and I can also toggle key lock on and off using this designated button here. As you can see, each of the channels has its own line fader, headphone cue, bipolar filter, three-band EQ, and gain. Intuitively, the middle section is where you can find the global controls, such as the master, booth, and headphone volumes, and the cue mix knob, which allows you to fade between cued channels and the master output. There's also an independent volume control for the sample player and a tracks encoder section for mouseless browsing. The Terminal Mix features a powerful transport section consisting of play or pause, cue, cup, sync, and deck switch. Hitting play will start your track instantly, and by hitting it again, the track pauses with a turntable braking effect. The cue button lets you set a cue point anywhere whilst the track is paused. Once assigned, your track will pause and jump back to this position anytime the cue button is pressed again. The cut button, which stands for cue and play, will launch your track from the assigned cue point even if the track is paused. For instant beat matching, the sync button automatically synchronizes one track to the other. Reloop listened to the requests of many DJs and has integrated 14-bit high-resolution pitch faders with a length of 100mm, allowing for extremely precise manual beat matching. For even more hands-on control, the large ultra-flat aluminium jog wheels can be used to either pitch bend, scratch, or quickly search through your tracks. Thanks to the tight integration between Terminal Mix and Serato, the jog wheels are highly responsive and offer a vinyl-like grip surface, which turntablists will definitely appreciate. To optimize the performance between the Terminal Mix and Serato, open the setup screen, where you can adjust the latency by moving the USB buffer slider. The lower the sample rate, the tighter Serato will respond to actions from the Terminal Mix. However, this will demand more CPU power, so be sure to find your optimum setting to achieve the best performance and avoid audio dropouts. You can also keep up to date with any changes and improvements Serato makes to their software by simply clicking Check for Updates. This will automatically launch the internet and determine whether a more recent update is available to download.